If looking to improve your health while enjoying delicious foods, look no further than the Mediterranean diet. It focuses on color and flavor and has been shown to help with weight maintenance and loss, lowering risk for heart disease and diabetes, fighting off certain cancers, and more. Transition your usual way of eating into a Mediterranean-inspired meal plan with these tips. Make vegetables the base of meals, enjoying at least one vegetarian meal weekly. Use animal-based proteins and dairy products sparingly, like a salad with strips of sirloin and feta on top. Choose whole grains whenever possible, from serving brown rice with dinner to bulgur at breakfast. Enjoy fruit for dessert. Incorporate healthful fats like olive oil, and be sure to eat seafood at least twice per week. For more information, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.